Hey guys, what's up? Golly, cold. It's like 30-something degrees out here. What's going on? Well, I think I have figured out what is wrong with my Echo weed eater. My Echo SRM-225. I don't think it needs a new carburetor at all. I'm going to be taking it by next week on Wednesday. And we're going to see what old McCoy says about this weed eater right here. So what I've done is I've put some slow motion clips together just for me to watch. I'm not going to post them. But of me putting other spark plugs on here and trying to start it, still won't start with other spark plugs in. And they are the BPM-8Ys. So and they work on these other machines, like no problems with them. So then I put this old spark plug in, the one that's in there, and it still doesn't start. And the other BPM-8Y spark plugs that I put in there still won't start. And it's dry when it starts now, so whatever was wrong with that. So now it's leading me to believe it's this ignition. So what I'm gonna do is next week or so, I'm gonna take drain a little bit of the gas out, give it a good, I'm probably going to get the power washer out and just clean it up a little bit, give it a bath. It is a mess. And just get it all good and get it good and clean. And then I'm going to take it by McCoy's. And if you're in the South, you know what McCoy's is. And see what they say. So, who knows? I'm gonna tell them I put a new carburetor on there and it's still not running and still just won't start. So I don't know. I don't have that spark tester unit either, so I don't really know what's going on with it. Everything was just working. So that was November the 24th or 25th. I started that thing up and ran it for a couple hours one day. The next day I ran it for a couple hours. Then I went to it the next day and it won't start. So I don't know. It's leading me to believe it could be the ignition coil and stuff. So I don't know. I wanna see what they say and yeah, so anyways, hopefully we get that all figured out, and, yeah, anyways, guys, we will, see you guys later, and, yeah, that's pretty much all I have. That's all I did was I messed with that dang weed eater again for 2 hours. I wasted 2 more hours on something else I could have been fixing, like kind of cleaning out the carburetor on the HR-194, or, working on the Manus tiller, or, yeah, and getting the steel running. Otherwise, we're pretty much close to getting everything done and fixed. Oh, the ES2100, waiting on this this little bracket to dry with Loctite I have in there. So, anyways, guys, that's that. That's all I have. I'm going to be posting the video of me putting that new carburetor on, which I did yesterday, and for some reason it didn't upload last night. I got stuck on processing. Tried to upload it today at school, and it didn't work either. So I'm going to try it one more time here, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, if I sound congested, I'm still sick and stuff, so. Anyways, guys, that's that. I don't know what we'll be doing tomorrow. My nose is running like crazy. It's cold as all get out here. Tomorrow I think we're going to be working on the HR-194 or the, what else do we have? And getting the steel going, and probably the ES2100. I'm going to try to get 3 things going. Otherwise, I got to order about 3 or 4 parts. Or I don't know how many, but got to get some other parts for things. And yeah, anyways, though, that's the moon right there. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Bye.